Hello everyone, Jojo here from Joyroute-jojo. This is the continuation video in the Copilot tutorial series for Microsoft 365. If you're watching this channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe and support me. If you have any questions or suggestions, please mark it in the comment section. Alright, in this particular video, we will talk about the Copilot licensing and pricing, environment setup for onboarding Copilot for Microsoft 365, then troubleshooting the issues while onboarding Copilot, and and at last we will see the live demo. We will ask the Copilot, Microsoft Copilot 365 to draft a Word document, and we'll see how it works. This is what we cover in this particular video. So first thing first, let's start with Copilot for Microsoft 365 licensing and pricing. Let's search it in the Google for the pricing and licensing for Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. So once you search it, you get all these sites. So we click on the second one, Copilot for Microsoft 365, which land on this particular page where it shows the pricing and other licensing details. It costs $30 per user per month, and it's an annual commitment. And once you purchase it, you get Copilot integrated with Teams, Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, Edge for Business, and other Microsoft 365 apps. And you get AI-powered chat with Microsoft Copilot. You can create plugin to your data and automation using Copilot Studio. And all these features you get once you purchase Copilot for Microsoft 365. And you should think it's an annual commitment. And the third thing, it is required any of this licensing to purchase Copilot. To be much more clear, a product license for Microsoft 365 Business Standard or Business Premium or E3, E5 is required to purchase Copilot for Microsoft 365. Or you can go with Office 365 E3 or E5. So any of these licensing is required to purchase Copilot for Microsoft 365. Now we will just check frequently asked questions related to Microsoft Copilot. What are the eligibility or prerequisites for Copilot for Microsoft 365? To eligible enterprise customers must have a license for Microsoft 365 E3, E5, Office 365 E3 or Office 365 E5. If you come down, what are included in Copilot for Microsoft 365? So it includes access to the Microsoft Copilot and integration with the Copilot in Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook, Teams, Loop, Edge for Business, and other Microsoft 365 apps. Is Copilot for Microsoft 365 available worldwide? Copilot is generally available for purchase worldwide in public clouds. We are currently working on our timelines for Norwegian clouds. So this is a response from the official Microsoft page. Which language does Copilot for Microsoft 365 support? So as of now, Copilot support only English, which is US, Great Britain, Australian, Canadian, and Indian. Then Spanish, Japanese, French, German, Portuguese, Italian, and Chinese simplified. Only these languages Microsoft 365 support as of now. And you should read this. Microsoft Copilot in Excel is currently only support English. So if we are talking about Excel, integrating Copilot with Excel, it work only on English language. And that Microsoft is working on that very soon. In the first half of 2024 itself, they will add the other languages like Arabic, Chinese traditional, Dutch, and you can blah blah blah. You can see, you can read it like Russian, Swedish, and all these languages. They will be adding it very soon. Is there a trial version for Copilot for Microsoft 365? No, there is no trial version as of now for Copilot for Microsoft 365. All these frequently asked questions, you can find it from this page, and you get an idea on it. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, so we have covered this licensing and pricing. Now we move on to environment setup Onboard my Copilot for Microsoft 365. Alright, we have purchased the Copilot for Microsoft 365. What is next? It should be visible on all the applications of Microsoft 365 like Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and all the Microsoft 365 applications. In this video, we are focusing on Microsoft Word. So I have opened a Word file over here, and you could see the Copilot symbol in the top bar in the ribbon, and one other symbol in the document itself. So this should be visible in the ribbon and in the document, and it should be clickable. There are certain situations the Copilot symbol is grayed out here, or it is not there at all. So these issues may occur. So how we can troubleshoot when it's grayed out or the symbol itself is not there? Let's see that, how we can troubleshoot. The first thing, you have to make sure that you are logged into the proper account, that you have purchased the Copilot license. So first thing, make sure you logged in with the right account. I know that sounds stupid, but that is usually the issue. And you can verify it with the web versions. You can just log into the browser to the Microsoft 365 account that you have purchased. And you can verify the web applications. You can open a Word in the web and check whether you are able to see the Copilot symbol there in the web application, and even a Copilot symbol in the document there in the web application. If it is visible there, then you can make sure there is no licensing related issues. It is an issue with your desktop application. Even the web versions of Microsoft 365 application, if the Copilot symbol is not visible there, then it could be an issue related to your purchasing. That should be a separate issue. You can raise a ticket with Microsoft and deal it separately. But in a scenario that it is visible there in the web versions of Microsoft 365 application, but not in your desktop version of Microsoft 365 application, that could be an issue related to license is not updated to your desktop applications. So what you can do, you can log off from here and log in again once or twice, then it may get updated to your desktop application. If not, you can go to File, go on Account, click on Account, and click on Update Now and Update License. So once you do this, it should be visible. Copilot symbol should be visible here, and it will be clickable. The final thing to note, whatever document you open up, it need to be saved in the same environment of the account where you have Copilot purchased. It need to be saved in the OneDrive folder of that account. If I just save it on my personal desktop, sometimes Microsoft doesn't like that and it shade out the Copilot and you cannot click on it. Another way to see this Copilot symbol, you save this document and you enable the autosave. If you are able to turn on autosave onto your OneDrive, then you should be able to see Copilot as well. So these are the troubleshooting that you can make sure Copilot symbol is visible and clickable. Alright, so far in this video we have covered Copilot for Microsoft 365 licensing and pricing. And after purchasing of the licensing, how it visible on your Microsoft 365 applications. In case if it is not visible there, what all troubleshooting you can make it, and how you can bring the Copilot on your Microsoft 365 applications. So all these we have covered so far in this video. Now we will go ahead with a live demo. We will draft a Word document with the help of Microsoft 365. Alright, to do that, we will open a Word file and we will ask the Copilot to draft a document for us. We will ask to write a job posting for Microsoft Technical Consultant. Microsoft Technical Consultant. It is good to give as much as information related to the post, like how many years experience he required, or what all certification he should have. So these information you can provide here. Then the document which Copilot generate for us will be more accurate to our requirement. So anyway, I'm not giving any other information. We will refine it later. So first thing, I'm going to generate and click on generate. So it is creating a draft as of now, pulling things together. So let's see what that document Copilot gives to us. See, as I have not given any information related to my company and how many years of experience that person should have, I have not given any information so far. So, but it has given a general one, like it should have 3 years experience. It should have at least 3 years experience in working Microsoft technologies and all that. That's the document they have given. So we are going to make certain changes here, saying that my company name is Joyroute-jojo, and I required 10 years experience for the technical consultant. Now let's see how it refine this document. Now it is refining this draft. It will make the necessary changes on this document and will share us back. See, we are Joyroute-jojo. Now they have given the company name here, saying that we are Joyroute-jojo, a leading IT consulting firm that specializes on Microsoft technologies. And you should have at least 10 years experience in working Microsoft technologies such as Azure, Office 365, Dynamics 365, Power Platform, etc. If you want to make again changes, you can say it here. You can refine it again, like it required, the technical constraint should required AC 104 certification, AC 500 certification. So you can say that here again here and refine this document accordingly. So that's a live demo we have seen right now. So that's it for the day. We will see you in the other video. Till then, goodbye.